going to hit y'all with a Dollar Tree
testing.
So you know how you can find nifty little things at the dollar store. Well, the other day I came across this. What is it called?
Microwave egg cooker.
And cracking eggs. And so this thing says that you can poach or scramble in seconds. All in this little container.
It's the morning.
So we're going to put it to the test and see what this thing is about and if it tastes good at all. So what do you think? Do you think it's going to be a fail or a pass?
A medium.
There's no medium. There's a fail or a pass.
I think it's gonna be a pass if we do it right. But it's probably gonna be a fail because it's from Dollar General.
It's from the Dollar Tree.
Okay, it's from the Dollar Tree.
Dollar Tree. All right, so we're gonna
autocorrect. Sorry.
Open this up.
I want to open it.
Oh well, you don't need scissors.
Open it.
Well, she wants to open it. Do 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 do.
No, stop.
Do 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 do.
Take this little. Holy moly! So this is what it looked like.
So you put your little egg.
It's like a little hole.
All right. So the instructions are supposed to be in here with the cooking instructions. And so what? It comes with its own little recipe guide.
I know this little guy from somewhere.
He's cracking eggs.
No, he's from a game. It's called I Can, and it's like and it's horrible. It's horrible.
Horrible. Alright.
It cans your chickens.
So do we want a poached egg or do we want a scramble?
I want a scrambled egg.
All right, so we're going to do the super quick scramble. All right, and so what this says, all we need is the one medium egg. Can you get the medium egg, please?
Yes.
The milk. You need milk and salt and pepper. Optional is what it says.
Oops. Must have been out. Eggs. Yes.
Okay, so we're just gonna do one egg. We're just doing one.
What's the medium? I think this one's the medium, man. This one's the medium.
So we got our ingredients. We need the milk.
Yeah, we need milk. The expired milk. Okay. I got the milk.
So we get the milk. And and all it says that you need is the one medium egg and 1 tablespoon of milk. And like I said, the salt and pepper is optional.
We like salt and pepper.
So, first thing that we do is crack egg into the cracking eggs cup and add the milk. So, would you want to do the honors?
Yes, I would like to do the honors.
So, we got to open that up.
I don't know what's a cooking class, huh? So, I'm going to crack this open.
So, we're opening that up.
The little egg thingy. What can I call it?
Alright, and so we'll show you what that looks like.
So we got the egg. Ta-da! Gonna crack. Oh, I'm gonna do that.
And so then we're going to do, it says a tablespoon of milk.
With the milk.
So that's the milk. Tablespoon is really, we don't have a tablespoon.
Yeah, we don't have a spoon.
So we're going to just,
And I clean my mess.
I'm going to pour what I think is a tablespoon.
A spoon is probably a tablespoon.
Yeah, you're right. We're going to say that's our tablespoon.
Add about salt.
Hold on, I didn't say to do that yet. Okay, so do the salt and pepper as much as you like.
A little salt there. A little pepper. A little there.
Alrighty. And then we're going to whisk together. So get the whisk. The whisk.
We don't need a whisk.
And in case you don't have a whisk,
The mini whisk.
we have a whisk. But in case you don't, to use a fork.
This is gonna make a mess.
You want to whisk that thing up. We don't want to make a mess, though, because you don't like to clean it. All right, so do you think it's whisked enough?
Nope. Nope.
Okay, so we're whisking. All right, so we whisked that up.
After you're finished, whiskily fire. I'm not funny.
All right, all right, and so then it says cook on high for 20 seconds. So now we're gonna put the top on.
Okay. I don't want to make a mess. I don't feel like cleaning. Oh, I just made a mess. Oh, okay, we stick in there.
So the top just twists back on there, pops back on there.
There's these little pieces where there's there's a hole, so you have to click it in there so it won't fall.
Click it. All right, so microwave. Over to the microwave. Take out whatever you might have in your microwave. So cornbread.
That's what we're gonna do. Okay.
And so we're gonna cook on 20 seconds.
3 seconds. 2, 0.
And start. Not.
I did not do that.
All right, so then after that, it says remove from the microwave and stir again gently. So 20 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Take it out.
All right, and so we're going to bring it back over here. So we're going to show you what it looks like.
You know we don't want to show this, do we?
No, it's not done. So this is the 20 seconds. And it says to remove from the microwave and stir again gently. So stir again gently.
Oh, it's hot.
It's hot. She said it's hot.
You get it? Hot.
Eggs. Oh my gosh. So that's what it looks like.
Gently.
All right. So, and then we are to put it back in the microwave.
It's like liquid, like cake.
And high for another 30 seconds or until eggs are cooked to taste.
30 seconds? 30 seconds, right?
30 seconds.
Got it. Boop, boop, boop. Start.
Boop, boop, boop. And we're going 30 seconds, and we're going 30 seconds, and we're going 30 seconds till it's done. And we're cooking up them eggs, and we're cooking up them eggs, and we're cooking up them eggs in 30 seconds.
Okay, stop. Nobody wants to do that. Oh,
whatever. You have to entertain. And we're down to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. She could have let it be.
No.
And then, come on, let's see. And so, what do we have?
Oh my gosh. Okay, this. Okay.
She's taking off the top.
Holy moly.
What? It looks like an egg. What you think?
I'm so surprised.
Surprise. Don't put your finger in it. Get us a fork. So, I mean, y'all see that? It's like cooked it. All right, so we're going to break it up.
Cut it in half?
I mean, like you scrambled eggs.
No way.
Like you would scramble an egg.
So, we don't. You know, let it fully cook. Let it, but it's like still some in there. So we're gonna put it back in the oven for, I think.
Yeah, it did say to,
20 seconds.
Needs to cook again. So Lexi said we needed another 30 seconds.
Yeah. No, 20 seconds.
And 20 seconds. Battery's about to stop. So another 20 seconds and we'll see what it looks like then. It does say continue to cook until it looks done. But then this thing is like
okay. It's done,
well,
baby.
it's in seconds. It is just seconds.
So we're gonna do the
So
reveal.
we're gonna try. We got it out the oven and you wanna see.
Beer. Oh, you can't see it anyways.
Here we go.
It's hot.
Oh, goodness.
Holy moly, look at that steak,
What?
people.
What?
We're gonna take the egg and
Then we're breaking it up like you would do scrambled eggs.
it smells like when you're like not fully cooked. It's not like it smells like a boiled egg.
Mmm.
Yep. Like, that's basically what we did, right?
It's supposed to be a scramble. All right, so you got to do the test, the taste test. Hold on. Wait till it cools down. All right, so that was a total time of what? We did 30 and 20?
30 and 20 and 20.
50.
50.
So we did 50 seconds. I'm flinging water. We're doing 50 seconds. We did 50 seconds, and it looks like it's pretty done. So we're about to see what it tastes like. It said 20 seconds, and then, then 30 seconds and 50 seconds. Oh, and then we added another 20 seconds. So that's 70 seconds that we put on there. So this thing said this is supposed to be done in seconds. I mean, if you don't say that 70 is seconds, and you don't just really say
it's
60 seconds, and it really was a minute and 10 seconds. But all right, so let's taste this. It was in 70 seconds.
Okay, so I'm just gonna get my knife.
You know how to stab it, or just stab it?
I'm not about to kill the chicken. Oh wait, I already killed the chicken.
All right, so we got our. Alright, you know. I mean, it's not bad. It tastes like it could use a little bit more salt.
No, it needs cheese. That's what it needs. Cheese. You gotta
I don't
add
put cheese in mine.
You gotta add
Leave it
cheese
out.
too.
I put it in there
You gotta
sometimes.
add cheese too.
But it's not bad. So I mean, I guess.
You gotta add cheese too. You gotta add cheese too. You gotta add cheese too. You gotta add cheese too.
So what do you think? Pass or fail?
Fail.
I mean, if you have your cheese in there, would you give it a pass? I mean, I'm gonna give it a pass.
I'll give it a pass, but like, just like the directions.
So it's not gonna be.
I give it a fail.
Yeah. So it says in seconds. I mean, you could do it in seconds. 70 seconds if you don't want to just say minute and some seconds. But that was our Dollar Tree discovery of the cracked eggs, which I will probably use. I will, you want a quick little snack. Whip up some eggs. It's healthy for you too. And get it like you want it. Scramble that egg and poach that egg. And I don't really eat poached eggs, so I didn't even want to try that. So that was our Dollar Tree tryout. Until our next discovery, we are out.
Peace.